you're welcome. In this video, we are going to describe the two editing tools we'll be using for this course. As mentioned in the last video, I made mention of CapCut and InShot as the tools we are going to be using. I'm going to show you the interface and the basic editing tools that we are going to be making use of in this video. Just go to your Play Store and download CapCut. I want to show you a video that I worked on. Let me show you a video that I worked on this morning. Okay, it's here.
In the quiet village of Umyaba, life is slow, peaceful, and predictable. That is, until Nkechi, a breathtaking young woman from a wealthy family, arrives as the wife of Chinidu, a respected craftsman.
Going to be
Villagers
doing. Okay, so I just want to show you the tip of what we are going to learn in this video. Alright, so let me just show you the basic tools we'll be needing for this video. First of all, you click here, you click on new project. It will take you to your gallery where you are going to get anything you want to. Okay, let me play this one for you guys.
Guys, check me out now. I humbled pregnancy. If you reach your turn, no go fetch water. Sleep for house, oh
It's very easy.
After I cook this food finish, I go wash my clothes. Queen no be for this village, oh.
This is now
With my pregnancy, I go still wash this clothes. I go tell Obina say I be wife material.
And this is
I be AI Regina. Oyao, wish me safe delivery for comment section.
This is sixth.
Guys.
Okay, so this is characters that they just included, like clip of video they joined together, and for them to join this together they made use of CapCut or InShot. That's the best editing tool you are going to be using, at least the basic you are going to be needing for now. Do you understand? So here, if you want to import your video, you click here. If you want to import your photo, you click here. Anyone you want to import, let me say I want to import my photo just like the video I worked on. You just have to select any picture randomly. Just click, select any picture you want to select randomly, click them. Then when you start, then after clicking them, we are going to arrange. Let me just click, since I'm just doing a video like showing how to do things, let me just use 3 or make use of 4. And then if you want it to have a high quality, click on HD here and then add it. So that is it. Those are the 4 characters we are going to be needing. Okay, let me show you the basic tools we need. Then here is audio. In this audio, you can add some sound, you can add music, you can record. Okay, as you can see, you can extract from a video. If you have a video you like the sound, you can extract the sound. Like this one, I can extract the sound here.
Guys, check me out.
Okay, so that's how to extract sound. And here I can add sound like all this funny kind of sound. And remember, in this InShot and CapCut stuff, we have something that is looking like diamond in some of those features. Don't make use of them because they are premium. You cannot make use of them. So this is a sound. You can search the sound, you can extract from video, as I said, you can get from your devices. As I have some sound here in my devices, you can now come to this place. If you have a favorite, you can link this to your TikTok to get sound that you saved. You can come here and search sound. As you can see, like I want to search laughing, instead of people laughing, you can see. And you can add this, click plus and add it. If you click that part, you will add it to favorite. I'm also going to show you how to add get your sound, not just on CapCut, because most of these CapCuts are for white people. I'm going to show you where you can get even for Igbo flute, all these things like in down my video. Then remember, when you are done editing your video, make sure you remove this end. This end, as you can see, bringing out CapCut, it is making your video look unprofessional. You click delete, make sure you remove it. There is a way to remove it permanently. I'm going to explain that in next time. Okay, you make sure you remove it. Another thing you have to do to make your video look more engaging is to add motion. Ways of adding motion is by adding transition or by animating the images. In this transition here, we have a lot of diamond features here, but we're still going to find free features. Okay, let's check for free features. As you can see, something like this is a free feature here.
Pregnancy.
I don't like this one. It's not good to add a feature that is tumbling your video or making it look somehow. This one is okay.
Pregnancy.
No. Just find a simple thing. You don't need to shake my image. Maybe this can work.
Pregnancy.
Yeah, maybe this can work.
Guys, check me out now. I humbled pregnancy.
Or you can use InShot for a simpler transition. Okay, in this transition, let me click it. In this transition, alright. Okay, I want to show you how to add it to all the clips. I think it's on InShot that has the feature. How to add this one is how to remove the transition, and InShot has a feature of adding all the transition. You don't necessarily need to click them. InShot has all the transition to all the videos, you understand? So you can adjust this image. Let me say the scene is telling story about how Nkechi is fetching water. You can adjust the story to the part that Nkechi is fetching water. You can adjust it to small, but you cannot adjust videos. Videos, something like, let me show you. I can add a video here. Let me bring one video and show you. Just like, sorry, it's like this video here. Okay.
Guys, check me out now. I humbled pregnancy.
This is 5 seconds. You can reduce it, but you cannot extend it to be more than 5. Hope you get what I mean. So that's what I mean by you cannot extend. But for images, you can extend it. You can reduce it the way you want. Okay, how to add your thumbnail. You need a thumbnail for your video. So when you download it, you can write a text. You can use templates. You can select from album. Let's select from album since we are generating all these things for free. This is the thumbnail that I generated for the video that I worked on this morning. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. You can add text. You can save. I'm trying to save, but I'm recording, so if I click save, it's going to pause. So let me just click cancel, and then that's it. So I want to also show you a feature that is going to help in enhancing our video here. If you want to enhance your video, let me bring something. Let me change this thing. Okay, let me remove it. Let me bring a video. Yeah, this is okay. If I want to enhance my video, I can come here. I'll come here. You can also use this for your picture, for your photo. Just take a look. I will only enhance this first video, so you're gonna compare. Let me show you. let me enhance a picture because this is a far this thing. So let me enhance this too. Let me enhance this. Then I'll come to this place. I'll come to adjust. I'll come to saturation. I'll increase saturation. Let me say 10. As you can see, can you see the difference? Don't make it too much, please. You can make it like 15 is okay, or 16. Increase my saturation. Come to HSL. Here, increase a bit. I'll now come to my tempo. I'm going to reduce the tempo. Remember the way you reduce the tempo, like if you increase it, no, you're going to reduce it to match. Then I'll come to my contrast here, and I'm also going to increase it. So check it out now. This is it, and this is this. Alright, let me just upload the normal image shots. We are going to compare it. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm sorry, this is night. So I'm just trying to lower my voice not to disturb people that are sleeping. Alright, let me come to a photo here. I think this image. So let's compare both this image or this. Which one is more attractive? Say the truth before man and cut. This or this? So you know it's this. So this is the way you can enhance your video. You can also enhance it using Snapseed. You can use Snapseed to cover your trademark. I'm going to show you all those things in coming videos. So I think we are done. Okay, that's it. We can add filters. You can add text. If you want to add text, you can add it. You can add effects. You can add overlay. You can capture. You can filter. You can add sticker. Like in my video, I used sticker to cover my trademark. I used follow sticker and I used like sticker. You can change the aspect ratio depending on the platform you are going to be posting it. You can change the aspect ratio. You can add a background here. My background is okay, is full. If I add background, you will not notice it. These are the feature. You can click edit and to see more features. You can animate your images. You can make your image to be like animate it, tumble, come down, but you don't need to necessarily shake your image because you're telling story. Something like this is okay. Alright, as you can see, it's fade.
Guys, check me out now.
So that is it. You can animate your image, add effects. Remember not to use the effect that has this thing, a diamond. If you can, in this kind of video, you know, in video you cannot increase it, so you can duplicate to make it long the way you want it to be. You understand? Like you can increase or reduce images, but you cannot increase or reduce videos. For you to increase video, you have to duplicate it. And here is the copy for duplication. If you want to replace an image, maybe you selected it wrongly, you don't want it to be in this place, you can click replace. Overlay, adjust, filter, retouch. Retouch has all this pro stuff. You don't even need all this diamond to get a good this thing. You can mask it. You can mask it to cover a part. You can mask some parts to cover a part. As you can see, you can remove it. So that's the features or the primary tools we need to know for our editing. It is the same thing with InShot. InShot, they are the same thing. InShot here is very simple. I used InShot to work on my video because of the simple transition, and after working on it, I came to CapCut to add text and audio to text that has AI generated thing. I did everything. I generated my voiceover using low AI voiceover, and then I now come to this CapCut. So I made use of the both tools, but you can see it is very simple. CapCut is very simple. InShot is simple. It's very elementary. So I believe this video is going to help you in doing this. So please do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a paid version. I also drop free version or free updates in my channel. You can check some. Like my video. Thank you. You can share with your loved ones.